Today's section of notes is the second chapter. This is for Tuesday, ecosystems and communities. So we should be looking at the different ecosystems that biology has to offer. Ecosystems around the world are classified by their climate. Now, climate is different than weather. Climate is the conditions over a year's time, while weather are the day-to-day conditions. So if I talk about a tropical rainforest, I'm talking about temperature and precipitation, which make up their climate. The greenhouse effect on Earth is just like a greenhouse that you would grow plants in. It traps heat inside an area, just like if you were to go to bed and pull your blankets up. It traps your body heat that's radiated from you underneath the covers, therefore keeps you warm at night. Based on your position on the Earth will also dictate your climate. The further you are from the equator, the colder the climate will be. The closer you are to the equator, the warmer the climate you will be. Hence our three climate zones: polar, temperate in the middle, and tropical around the equator. First thing you have to understand is the sun drives all weather forces on the planet. The sun heats the earth unevenly, which causes wind. The sun also heats ocean depths at different rates, which causes ocean currents. And those are the two forces that move weather across the surface of our planet. This topic will be on your end of course test: biotic factors versus abiotic factors. Biotic factors are living things, hence the prefix bio, that affect an organism's life. Abiotic factors are non-living things that have an impact on an organism's life. The niche of an organism is much like the back of a baseball card. It gives you all the statistics and information that's needed about an organism, from where its place is on the food chain to what it eats, how it lives, how it reproduces. No two organisms can share the same niche. In order for organisms to live together, you must understand that they're going to compete for resources: food, shelter, a mate. It's the competitive exclusion principle that says no two species can occupy the same niche, or else they're going to end up killing each other. Ecological succession is a topic that will show up on your end of course test. This is how land goes through its natural evolution. So let's say I clear cut a forest. The first things to show back up would be small grasses and weeds, then larger trees, and then even larger trees as the progression takes the land back to the way it used to look. We're going to start getting into the actual biomes. So these are the aquatic biomes and what they are determined by. So I'm going to stop having all these little recordings over top of it and just let you copy down the different biomes and their factors. These are some of the choices that you have for your biome brochure. For the next 2 days, you're going to be working on a biome brochure. You're going to choose a biome from chapter 3 or 4 in your textbook, and you're going to make a trifold that advertises an activity or a trip to that biome. The biome brochure should be colorful. It should include information that you're getting ready to get in the next couple sections. And this biome brochure is due Thursday morning to the substitute. I will take it up and it'll be one of your quiz grades. So you'll have today and part of tomorrow for this to be finished or completed. First, the cover of your trifold. You want to make it bright and colorful. You're trying to pick out some type of activity that would attract a person to come to your biome. You may use the book in chapters 3 and 4 to research a biome, or you may use a computer to research a biome of your choosing. On the inside flap, I'm looking for you to explain the climate of the biome that you chose. Climate is described in two ways, temperature and precipitation. So you're going to need to research the temperatures and the amounts of precipitation that your biome gets. A good way to do this would be in a fake weather forecast. In the middle section, you're going to give me a report on the biotic factors of your biome. So you're going to look into what plants and animals call your biome home. This is an area in which I would like pictures, not just written names of organisms. The last inside flap is where you have to get creative. I'm looking for what activities there are to do in your biome. For example, if you're in a tropical rainforest, maybe zip lining. But I can't go snow skiing in a tropical savanna. So make the activities match your biome. Also, what do I need to pack for my trip? Anything specific?